At SynaptyX, we don't just provide tools, we build solutions. As one vice president put it, our team truly understood the problem, delivering a system that accurately detects abnormalities in complex claim handling documents. Consider a Tier 1 European car manufacturer facing a fraud problem they could no longer ignore. With thousands of monthly dealer warranty and service claims, their manual verification process was overwhelmed. Fraud was hiding in plain sight. Manual checks were slow, document chaos was the norm, and sophisticated manipulation led to visible revenue leakage. Our strategy: build fast and iterate. We deployed pre-built intelligence from Lattice to get a working demo running in under a week. By mixing rules-based logic with generative AI, we ensured the solution was deterministic, secure, and lived entirely within the client's environment. It wasn't easy. We had to overcome inconsistent document formats, massive context windows, and the high cost of running LLMs at scale. We found the source of truth where others couldn't. The numbers speak for themselves: an 80% reduction in manual effort, full ROI in less than 3 months, and 100% real-time fraud visibility. Agency field visits were eliminated, and every claim is now auto-risk rated. Ready to move from manual to intelligent? Let's talk about what's possible for your business. Connect with SynaptyX today.